Okay, time for a very special unboxing. So, all you techno geeks, you know about unboxing. You can unbox processors, i7s, i5s, the latest i5s. Ooh, look at that, a power supply. Garbage, garbage, all of this is garbage. Ooh, a gigabyte motherboard, this is sweet. Garbage, everything, all of this is garbage. I have got the greatest unboxing you have ever. See. Okay, here it is. I promised you the unboxing of a century. Here it is. What could this be that's so special? Doesn't smell like anything. Could it be an Egyptian antiquity? I think better. Oh, it's sort of weighty. I don't hear any rattling. Well, shall we do it? Ooh. Ah. Foam. It must be breakable. What is it? Oh no. It's...
The story of Mr. Canoehead is so incredible, only Mormons would believe it.
It all began during a portage in Algonquin Park.
You're lucky you got that canoe. I'm getting soaked to the skin out here.
What was that, Ted? I can't hear you under this canoe.
I said you're lucky you're dry under the canoe. I've been hit by lightning! I said you're lucky you're dry under the canoe. You were hit by lightning! Holy smokes! Will you let go of the canoe? I'm not holding on to the canoe! Swelled it to my head! Oh, come on! That's impossible! You're right! It's stuck to your head!
And so begins the story of Canada's greatest aluminum crime fighter.
genuine Mr. Canoehead figurine, handcrafted someplace in the world. Ah, look at that bobblehead action. Up and down, side to side. When I recorded this vlog post, I neglected to mention that Mr. Canoehead is a character of the Frantics comedy group, of which I am a member. Holy smokes, the craftsmanship. It says Mr. Canoehead at the front here. Wow, genuine backpack detail with a bedroll. Ooh, this is unbelievable. I need to get a closer look here.
I would like to thank the people at Amazing Bobbleheads for doing just an amazing bobblehead job.
Oh, this is so nice. This one is mine. No one is getting this one.